Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat memory backup not working. If you are using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat memory backup is not working, so let's see about some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you have to open your Snapchat app, and here simply tap on your profile option in the top left corner, then tap on settings option in the top right corner, and here just look for memories, and you have to make sure that your smart backup is enabled. If you find the issue that your smart backup is not working, so you have to make sure that you have cloud storage here. If you don't find enough cloud storage, you can buy more cloud storage. And after that, you just have to go back and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your app store, start to search your Snapchat app, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Snapchat. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app, and after updating, your issue must be fixed. So if it's still not fixed, open settings, go for general, go for chance to reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings. When the confirmation message pop up, it will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can just try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed, you have to go for iPhone storage. Look for Snapchat here, tap on Offload app, and then tap on Offload app again. After offloading, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.